On a momentous day that shall be honored for time everlasting, our glorious empire at last heralded the coronation of Her Majesty Empress Jamil. As billions of faithful beheld a scene of unprecedented imperial might, she arrived with her guardians to announce the dawn of a new reclaiming. The legacy of her reign began with a decree to every soul of New Eden.
I am the harbinger of hope. I am the sword of the righteous. And to all who hear my words, I say this: what you give to this empire, I shall give back unto you.